Привет, hello and bonjour, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm very excited for multiple reasons, but it is my first time ever reviewing a LookFantastic monthly subscription beauty box. I'm also excited because it's the first freaking one I've gotten in January. I don't know what's going on with the post. I've had two that were shipped out on December 31st and I still haven't gotten them. Birchbox I almost always get on the first, second, third, or sometimes like last month I got it the month before. Glossy Box only just shipped out. It's a complete mess. I don't like it, but I'm happy to finally have a box, some sort of a box. So let us just dive right in and review this box. So LookFantastic is another subscription service, of course, of beauty, skincare, etc. items. I opted for the 6-month subscription just because obviously there's a discount, so each box turns out to be €17 for me. But the thing that I like with the 6-month one is I don't have to pay the 6 months upfront. Awesome. A lot of the subscription boxes, if you want that discount and you want the 3, 6, 12-month subscription, you have to pay up front. Not a fan of that, so that is why I opted for this. So the theme, I'm looking online and I'm looking on my account. I don't think they put themes on their boxes from what I can tell. Maybe I'm wrong, but it just says box January 2021 Master Beauty Box. Boomba! My dog's just doing somersaults because why not? So yeah, let's just dive in. I also have pre-opened it to see if there's a booklet or whatnot with all the information, and there's not. I don't know again if that's just me or these boxes don't come with the booklets. Let's explore that issue next month, but I will just say as well, I am in France, so this is technically the French one, but from what I've seen online, it's pretty much the exact same everywhere. But yeah, let's dive in. So opening the box is this very cute lavender, but they don't really have any themes or whatnot like other ones do. And you have the cute little paper and sticker, the usual. What does it say inside? All that you are is enough. Ain't that cute? I know. Ooh, lots and lots of goodies. I mean, I'm acting surprised. I did have to look these up ahead of time so I can tell you guys the price, but when I read online it said the value was over €60, so we're just gonna check and confirm to see if that's accurate. So it looks like this. Am I holding it upside down? Let's just rearrange things. So number one, we have the Eco Complexion Sponge. I'm really excited. I love kind of beauty blenders. I've never heard of these brands. And it says Tree Nation, 100 of these sponges equals a tree. We are planting 1 tree for every 100 products sold. That's awesome. That's really great. I've been seeing more and more brands move towards like better packaging, better recycling and whatnot. Ooh, I love the color. The green is very like springtime, start of the new year. It feels really soft. I feel like this will be a really nice one once I wet it, but that's really, really great. I'm very happy there. And the price online for this guy is €6.95, so great. Next, let us take out this guy. This is the Grow Gorgeous Intelligent Hair Care Balance Shine Enhancing Overnight Mask, and here we have 30 mils, so I think that's quite a good size. I think for my length of hair, it says apply to the lengths of hair and then massage it onto the scalp. Okay, I think I could use this once or twice, which I think is nice, and usually, right, when you do a big hair mask, you're not doing it every day, it's once a week, so that's really great trial size. Never heard of this brand, again. Smells super nice, nothing crazy, but really yummy. And this guy, for this price, it's €15 per 100 milliliters, so we'll round up €5 for this guy. Cool, I think that's pretty average market price from all of the hair masks I've been seeing. Next, I'm gonna take out this little guy. This is the Verso Eye Cream 5, but it's a backwards 5. Extra Nourish, and we have 7 mils here. So this is, again, all these brands I've not really heard of before, but that's the kind of really cool part about exploring brands with subscription boxes. So I looked this one up and I was very surprised. For 20 mils, this is €68. So this guy ends up being €23.78, which for me, it's ridiculous. I still feel like I've never really used a skincare that's that expensive. That's made me feel like it's worth it. But I'll see, maybe it will, but that's really cool. I love eye creams, nourishing formula for skin around eyes, and I feel like I'm starting to, even though I'm not that old yet, but I'm starting to get my little laugh lines, especially when I really smile, they come up and I'm just like, I don't want to see it. I'm not there yet, but that's cool. Really, obviously, great value for the box. This alone is worth more than the box cost. Awesome. Next, I'll take out this guy. So this is obviously a full-size item. We have the SVR Dermatological Laboratory it's in French. Let me read it. Hydralienne légère. Okay, so it's a intense hydrating cream for, is this even in French? I feel like it's in Italian. Nope, made in France, but a lot of the writing is Italian. I don't know why. Oh, here's the French and English. Oh my gosh, I just have to flip the box over. Intense moisturizing cream, normal to combination skin. So that's really nice. Again, have not heard of this brand. Nope, I have not, but really great size, nice packaging. Does it have a smell? Oh, doesn't do the twisty twist. Doesn't really smell either, so I guess that's good for sensitive skin. I like a little bit of fragrance. And this guy is worth €13.30. So again, really great value. Is it something I'd buy by myself? Maybe not, but that's the point of these boxes. So let's keep going. I almost missed it, by the way, you guys. Obviously this one is next, but there's a little item hidden in the little paper thingies. So this guy, this is very cool. This is unique, and I haven't received anything like this in any subscription box so far. This is these Starskin Nourishing double layer hand mask gloves. Hollywood hand model. So I think that's super cool. So it's basically moisturizing gloves that you put on, leave on your hands, says 15 minutes, and then your hands are gonna sparkle according to the little pictogram here. But also a bit ridiculous. Recommended use 1 to 2 times per week. Ain't nobody got time for that. Like, I'm not gonna buy, this is like a spa thing, you know, maybe a few times a year, maybe once a month, 1 to 2 times a week. I don't think so. I'll just put on hand cream. But very, very impressed by the uniqueness of this product, especially in a subscription box. So I'm super excited to try. This guy is obviously full size and worth €9.50. So yeah, I'm not forking out €20 a week to put moisturizing gloves on. I don't have that kind of money. And last but certainly not least, and probably the item I'm most excited about, does that sound bad? Just because I love this brand so much, but I've never tried a lip product by them, and I'm a bit more into makeup, I'd say, than skincare. I'm getting more into skincare, but it is the Sleek Cosmetics Matte Me Ultra Smooth Matte Lip Cream. So there were 4 colors that you could have gotten, and I got Roasted Almond, which is this lovely orange tinted brown. And I think, honestly, looking at the photos online, this is the one I'm most excited about. So first, I will say on the LookFantastic website, it was €5.95, but elsewhere it was €8. So I don't know. I'll just go with the $5.95 for the sake of this box. Oh. Am I still excited by the color? That's quite brown. I keep getting brown shades. Is there a beauty profile I can fill out? But we'll see. We'll see how that goes on. It feels super soft. I love the packaging. And yes, like I said, I've tried Sleek, but for eyeshadows and highlight. I love their highlight. So I'm very excited for this brand. And yes, €5.95. And my friends, well, that's LookFantastic for January. So what do we think of this box? I mean, okay, so I'll do the math. It was €64.50, we'll round it, for the value of this box, which of course is really great if I paid €17 for it. Cool products I'm definitely going to use. Would I have bought all of these realistically had it not been for the subscription box? I mean, that's kind of the caveat, isn't it? You're supposed to try new products, but I'm also a bit like, yeah, cool. I don't know. I definitely would have been curious about the lip cream. I can always use another sponge. The hand gloves are fine, but for the rest of creams, I feel like there's so many creams in every subscription box. Of course, makes sense. You know, I'm not complaining in that sense. Like, what else are they gonna put in? But stop talking. But it's kind of like, okay, cool. I'm not like blown away, let's put it that way. I am impressed for the value of money, the quality of the products, the variety, and we got 6 items as well, which is awesome. Usually you get 5. So for that, I think it's really, really cool. But overall, like, yeah, nice. How high can my voice go when I do that? But I'm curious to try, I'm excited to try, and let's see what the next boxes hold, and hopefully they come on time. There's always this issue, well, not always, but it happened with this box where there's the same address but in another city not far from here. Thanks, France. And they called, like, this was supposed to be delivered last week, and then there was an issue, blah, blah, blah. I called them, and then the guy's calling me. He's like, where are you? Are you in this town? And I'm like, no, I'm in this town. He's like, oh, but this address comes up in this town. And I'm like, right, but I put my town on the address, online, on the box. Like, can't you read? Like, It's resolved. It got here eventually. I'm still waiting for all of my other subscription boxes, but that was a little bit frustrating. So thank you for those who are still watching, even though I know a lot of people have already gotten this box. But voila, Look Fantastic for January. Pretty cool, but not blown away, but impressed. Yeah. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Hopefully it was a little bit interesting, or at the very least entertaining. If you haven't already, definitely please subscribe to my channel. I'm still new and growing, and I really want to kill it this year. Come join me on this fun journey. I have lots of videos coming up. I know the first 2 weeks were a little bit, I haven't uploaded too much, but life, busy, work, getting organized, etc. Let me know your thoughts down below. Do you get Look Fantastic? Are you thinking about it? Is your box different than mine? I know there was an alternate for, I think, the eye cream. It was like a cleansing bar. But yeah, I'm just curious on your general thoughts, or just pop down to say hi. Hello. As always, I will put the value of this box in all 3 currencies right here for you to see and think about the value and whether or not it's worth it for you. Did you think about it? What do you think? Other than that, you can catch me on social media at Slavic Chic. All right, you guys, thanks again for being here, and I will hopefully catch you guys in the next one. Bye.